Oh my god, that was so hot. It's so hot outside. I just finished Scout's walk. Now I gotta walk. I gotta hightail it home. I already have back pain, but whatever. Yeah. This is what happens when you're active all the way till you turn 50 years old, and then the world changes, and then you're stuck at home for like 2 years, because at that point your body's not bouncing back from that. It's just not, you know. And young people are probably gonna feel it, you know, later on, because I mean, granted, everybody was able to be, you know, still stay active during the big, you know, P and big V, but at the end of the day, we all lost a lot of muscle tone due to this thing. So I don't know, maybe that's God trying to humble us. Well, we know He doesn't have to try anything because He does what He does. I mean, God, you know, willing, we survive. Any one of us survives this. It would be, you know, His will, literally. I love God on everything, but it's hard. It's really hard. You know, it's just really hard. So tomorrow is Super Bowl Sunday. I don't know what I'm making, but I've got, if I get some ground beef, I can make some nachos, because I have everything else. I'll make the salsa. I've been craving potato salad, so I'll make some of that, and then I'll probably get some chicken or beef. I've been craving pork chops lately too, and liver, and I've been craving liver like especially, so I must be like low on iron or something, and probably high on like I don't know what else. But yeah, so gout apparently is a buildup of uric acids. I don't know what uric acids is, so it would be nice to be able to, like, you know, dissolve it. It's a bone thing though, so I'm not sure what the deal is there. I'm gonna have to go to the doctor. I haven't researched it lately because, to be quite honest, I'm not scared, but I know. Okay, come on, no. Oh no, come on. Over here, go. I haven't researched it because I don't want to self-diagnose myself, but I think that I'm gonna have to call it in because they're gonna need to run tests on it. And it's osteo, meaning bone, so I don't know what that means. Again, you know, you gotta be, you have got to be careful what you wish for, because one never knows, you know what I mean? On that note, I saw that Bird Martinez made a video of her walking, and I'm just simply amazed. Not only am I amazed, but I wonder if the stabbing that she suffered occurred anywhere near her vagus nerve, because they stabbed her in the back of the neck. So I don't know if that's like you know, the reason for her being a quadriplegic and able to still learn how to walk again, right? So what does that make you? Like, because her injury affected all 4 of her limbs. So she had that diagnosis, right? So she was basically faced with not being able to walk again ever in her life. And she runs a YouTube channel for cooking. So, like, you have to wonder, like, oh my God, you know, like, her motivation obviously is different than the average person that has that injury, right? I mean, she's got to be 1 in a million, or 1 in, like, I don't know, 10 million. So, I mean, it goes to show you that the human body is very resilient, and you can teach it and reteach it, because muscle has memory almost every time. And so when my mom was in that accident and it took her 3 months to recover from like a literally like back injury, then you have to know that the level and amount of time that had to be involved, right, and in her recovery was great, right? So we can put it at around, oh my God, please don't run into me. Oh my God. Yeah, this lady was like coming out and I was like, please don't hit me. So anyway, the level of reparation that the body has to do. So we're talking, your body recovers while you sleep. So we're probably talking about 400 days, give or take. So 365 days, so a year, right? So she was, in Bird Martinez's case, she was, it occurred in December of 2021. Wow. So in December of 2022, it was a year. So shout out to Bird Martinez on her walking recovery. I'm so especially thankful that she's able to walk, because she's a testimony to the resilience of the human body. So shout out to people who have, had to recover for months and months from traumatic injury,